Okay, my fellow Zeekers. So I actually did a competitor research on this guy, Extra.Sale. Now, this guy has 3,867 active listings to be exact. And his numbers from the past or last 7 days, the sales earnings are over $7,000, as you can see here. And just yesterday, Extra.Sale generated $1,166 from his eBay dropshipping business. If you crunch the numbers, that's a steady stream of over $35,000 every month. Now, you might have heard whispers out there, people saying eBay dropshipping is dead or don't bother starting an eBay dropshipping business. But today, we are going to debunk those myths and show you that the reality is far from it. In this video, we're not just talking theory. We're going to roll up our sleeves and build an entire eBay dropshipping business from scratch. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this video, all you'll need to do is follow the blueprint and put in the work. Just like Extra.Sale, you too can achieve impressive results with eBay dropshipping. It's all about putting in the effort. But enough chit chat. Let's dive in. I'll take you inside my computer and together we'll cook up an eBay dropshipping business. I'll show you how you can replicate Extra.Sale's success because clearly it's working. He's generating 5 figures every single month. Keep that in mind as we go through this video. Before we start building an eBay dropshipping business, let's take a look at Extra.Sale's results in the last 7 days. With 3,867 active listings in his store, he's hit around $7,500. And the best part, it's accessible from anywhere in the world. Now that we've seen some basic results and know that this isn't just screenshots, let's get into exactly how you can start an eBay dropshipping business. I'll guide you every step of the way. By the end of this video, you will have an eBay dropshipping store ready to go, primed for profitability. Unlike some folks on YouTube who just talk the talk, we're here to walk the walk. We're not just discussing this business model, we're actually doing it. So let's get started on the journey to financial independence through eBay dropshipping. All right, guys, first things first, we need to go to ebay.com. If you guys haven't created an eBay store yet, the first 250 products are free. You don't need to pay anything. Only later, when you grow the amount of products in your store, it will cost between $7.95 for additional products all the way up to $349.95 for additional fixed price listings in all categories. eBay is basically where your whole store will be hosted. That's where people will find your products. Before we dive into creating our eBay store, we need to decide on a name. To do this, we're going to tap into the power of ChatGPT. We're aiming to sell a variety of items as Extra.Sale does. So we need a name that captures the essence of a general store or shopping mall. So here is what you can fill in using ChatGPT to generate a list of potential names. I'm creating an eBay store that focuses on different product niches similar to a shopping mall or general store. Please generate 10 names. And in just a couple of moments, there you have it. All of the names listed there that you can use for your store. Finding this video useful, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's a massive help and supports the channel. Thanks a ton. And subscribe too, highly appreciated. Now that we have our store name, we are ready to create our new eBay account. But before we do that, we should create a Gmail account with the same name that we would like to use for our eBay store as well. And this is because the two will be connected. So now jump into gmail.com, select create an account, put in all your basic information using the name ChatGPT provided, and you have an email set up. Now we create an eBay account with this new email. So what you're going to do is you're going to jump into ebay.com, select register or sign up, fill out all of your personal information, such as password, address, phone number, and so on. Be sure to provide 100% true information here, and then you will have your new eBay account. Once you have subscribed to the smallest plan, you can edit your storefront, change the name, and even add a logo and store description, just as long as your store and account are registered as a seller account. Do this after making a basic eBay account. Our next step is to find products to sell and upload them to our store. We're going to follow the same strategy Extra.sale used with his eBay dropshipping business by researching his store and even source his products. But before we do that, let's see what tools we need for finding products and listing them. First, I'll register with Zeek Analytics. Zeek is actually offering a $1 trial and unlimited market insights, unlimited searches and scans, so you can use it without limit to find profitable products. And second, I'll create an account on AutoDS. In just a moment, I'll explain more about these tools. Okay, so Zeek will be your secret weapon for finding profitable products and writing compelling eBay titles. AutoDS is the tool that will automatically upload those items to your eBay store and automate the orders. The goal here is to speed up the process so your eBay dropshipping business will consistently grow. Let's start finding products together. So first, I'm going to log into Zeek Analytics and head to the Market Insights dashboard. Here, you can find trending products and niches, see who the trending eBay dropshippers are, and check if there's any e-commerce season coming up. When it comes to finding products, I'm going to source from products from the top 3 suppliers, starting with Amazon, just like Extra.sale. I'll show you how to source products from Amazon and Walmart and AliExpress. And for this, I'll adjust the seller settings in Zeek to show me products from the supplier I desire. First one, Amazon. Now I'll go to the trending product section, hit the item finder button, and save every profitable product to my products folder. So later I can upload them to my store. We want to make sure we're uploading products with strong demand, and we can simply determine this by the sales history of each product. That's why the Market Insights is so powerful. You get high demand products ready for you to list. My tip here is to stick to products with at least 2 sales in 7 days or 5 sales in the last 30 days. Another way to find products is to explore the trending eBay dropshippers. By clicking on the detective icon, I can scan the seller and I can see all of their best-selling items, as you can see here. I can go ahead and save those items to my products folder too. In case Zeek couldn't find the item automatically, you can go ahead and search for it manually on the supplier website. By doing a simple Google image search, you can actually just scroll and search for the supplier you're looking for. In this case, Amazon.com. Once you find the item with the correct supplier, click on it and copy this little number code and jump back into Zeek. Paste it and refresh. This will give you the approximate profit for the item, and you can go ahead and save that product as well. The next step is to see if we can improve the titles of those items before we upload them to our store. The titles are the doors to your listings. Imagine having a store in a shopping center located in the worst place, or having a storefront in the best location. The more relevant your titles, the better your product listing will be displayed. It's called ranking. So let's use the title builder tool to optimize the titles of those products. All you have to do is copy the keywords into the title builder and see if there are any new keywords that you can use to have high sales and preferably lower competition. So when searching, search for higher sales and lower competitors. So now we have 3 listings ready to be listed. We're going to upload them with AutoDS. But before we move on, liking the content, smash that subscribe button. It's a huge help for the YouTube algorithm and it supports the channel. We really do appreciate it. Let's log into Zeek and integrate with AutoDS. So once logged in, go to the product folder on Zeek. Click the Upload All button. From this pop-up, choose AutoDS and integrate. Complete the process on the AutoDS side and we are connected. Now I'll complete the upload from here inside the product folders. After I've sent all of those products to AutoDS, I'll log in again inside AutoDS and I will go to drafts. Disclaimer, it does take a while for all of the products to jump into AutoDS. These are products that have been previously uploaded. The ones that you're seeing have been previously uploaded. So as this is the first time we're uploading items, we need to set up shipping policies and return policies. Once you have that all set up, now you are ready to upload the items to your new store that we have created together. All you need to do now is wait, and the sales will come as we made sure to list items with high demand and low competition. So we've walked you through the process, but remember, this is just the beginning. To truly succeed, you'll need to consistently maintain your store. After all, it is a business. List new items daily and provide top-notch customer service. Keep adding products every day. The first month, eBay may limit your store to 10 items, but this will gradually increase to 100 and beyond. Keep adding products every day. In the first month, eBay may limit your store to 10 items, but this will gradually increase to 100 and beyond. From my personal experience, persistence pays off. Regularly calling eBay can expedite this increase. So don't hesitate to try again until you get a positive response. When it comes to customer service, you have a couple of powerful tools at your disposal. You can use message templates for common queries or even leverage ChatGPT for customer service. With the power of AI, language barriers become a thing in the past. Even if your English isn't perfect, ChatGPT can handle it. We've got a whole video dedicated to this topic on our channel, so stick around until the end and you'll find a link to it on the end screen. Lastly, don't forget about eBay's promoted listings feature. This tool is available with an eBay store subscription. It can boost your products to the top of the search results. In exchange, you'll give eBay a percentage of the sales revenue you generate. Just remember to do your calculations. You want to ensure you're not giving eBay more than you're earning? That's an important one. Thank you very much, guys. And that was it for this video. I will see you in the next video. But before you go, did you find this video helpful? If so, please give it a thumbs up. It's a small gesture, but it helps us know that we're on the right track. Plus, it helps other aspiring eBay dropshippers find our content. So go ahead, hit the like button, and let's make eBay dropshipping work.